What's up guys, today we will be unboxing and taking a closer look at the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 Wireless and the Haste 2 Wireless Mini. Both have the same contents as the unboxing later on will show. So talking about the unboxing, let's get on with it. So for the video's sake, I will only be unboxing the Haste 2 Wireless. And as for the specs, they both have the 26K sensor with a speed rating of 650 IPS, and they also have the custom HyperX switches that are also rated for 100 million clicks. So here we have the mouse with a protective film underneath to prevent it from scratches or just protective packaging. And in the container underneath, there's the USB-C cable to a USB-C hub to a dongle. So there's that. And here we have a quick start guide with some grip tape and some extra mouse gates, which is always a good thing. So yeah, that was basically it for the unboxing. Here I'm just gonna bundle up the content so you can basically see what was in the package. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Haste 2 and the Haste 2 Mini. The difference in volume is around 16% and the Mini weighs around 2 grams less. As for the switches themselves, they are physically the same and feel the same as well. Now there are a few differences in the design of the two mice. Here you can see that the HyperX logo is darker on the Mini, and on the side, the logo's font and color are different as well. Now I myself am a high-sense player, so I prefer to have a firm palm grip, which feels amazing on the Haste 2 with medium-sized hands. However, a claw grip is possible as well. The Mini, however, is too small for my personal taste, as it sits too loose in my hands and offers a better performance for a claw grip player. Now, there were rumors about the connectivity issues with the Haste 2 when it launched. However, I had no issues at all with both mice after firmware update. Now, all in all, both mice are a great deal if you can get them on sale. They both offer the same specs and have a battery life of 100 hours. However, if they are on full price, I would suggest you guys go for the Logitech G Pro Super Lite, even if it costs a tad bit more. That was it for my unboxing and review for the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 and the Haste 2 Mini. If you liked the video, consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up. Until next time, peace out.